Fascinating facts about the world's most populated cities. Tokyo, Japan, holds the title with over 37 million residents in its metropolitan area. Delhi, India, boasts a rich history and is home to over 31 million people. Shanghai, China, is a global financial hub with a population exceeding 24 million. São Paulo, Brazil, is famous for its cultural diversity, housing more than 21 million inhabitants. Mexico City, Mexico, blends ancient history with modernity, hosting around 9 million residents. Subscribe for more amazing facts about world.